Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we are learning about the letter L. Our L words are lips, lamp, lawn, lake, and leaf. Our special guests are monkey and whale. This is the letter L. It makes the sound L. Now this is a lake. It's a body of water that people swim in and fish and ride boats. Notice how your tongue starts at the top of your mouth and moves down when you say the word lake. This is a lamp. People use lamps to light up their rooms. Say it with me. Lamp. This is a lawn. Lawns are the grassy outside parts of people's houses. Lawn. This is a leaf. Do you know where you find leaves? That's right, you find them on trees. These are lips. They're found at the bottom of people's faces. They're used to speak and eat. Lips. Now let's play a game. Which word do you think does not fit with the others? Lake, monkey, lamp, lawn, leaf, or lips? That's right, it's the monkey. Monkey does not have a L sound. Let's play again. Now we have a lake, a whale, lamp, lawn, leaf, and lips. Which one does not fit? Correct, it's the whale. Let's play another game. Please point to the lake when you see it. Good job, you found the lake. Now, try to find the lamp. Great, you found the lamp. Now it's time to find the lawn. Great work, this is the lawn. Now, remember the leaf? Find the leaf. Great work, this is the leaf. Finally, find the lips. Great, these are the lips. One more time, repeat after me. Lips. Lamp. Lawn. Lake. Leaf. Great work, everybody. Follow along at storybee.space. I'll see you on the next one.